All right, so we are on page 48. We're doing the second half of the review. Make sure we have the correct answers here because tomorrow is our Unit 4 test. And there's a lot of review questions, which is why we took 2 days to do it. So we did the first 33 yesterday. So we are going to finish this first page.
How much questions are in the test?
It's a good question. Roughly 20, I think.
And we need to do a 50-question review.
Well, that way you know that you'll have everything covered that will be on the quiz, or test, excuse me.
Okay, relatable.
All right, so 34. We'll do these last couple together. Turn you loose on the next page. We'll just finish this. It's again just like we did yesterday. Splitting up the first group of parentheses here. It's up to you if you want to put it on top or bottom. I'm going to put the first one on the top. Make sure you take the signs with it. So I'm taking -n and -5. Going down the bottom side here, I'm going to take m and a -6. So m times -n is -mn. M times -5 is -5m. -6 times -n is +6n. And -6 times -5 is +30. So nothing we can combine there. So I just rewrite all those out. Make sure you take the proper signs with them.
I couldn't get my locker room.
I was wondering where you were at.
Yeah, the locker for some reason was not working, so I had to go to the office to get the key.
All right. Next one, we're going to do that as well. 4x -7, 2x 6.
What?
Question?
My hair is too tight.
Oh. 2x times 4x. Squared. -7 times 2x.
-14x.
4x times 6.
24x.
6 times -7.
-42.
-42. So I have 8x squared. This one has like terms, so I can combine those. I have a 24x and I have a -14x.
38x,
One's a negative.
-38x,
So 24 minus 14.
10x,
10x. Okay, let's actually skip these next two. I think we've done plenty of those. We're going to skip 36 and 37. If you already did them, let's check your answers. I'll give you the answers. X squared plus xy minus 4x plus 3y minus 21.
Got it right.
This one is 3, 6, 1, 9. 1, 9, 3, 6. 6, 1, 9, 3, 9, 3, 6, 1.
I thought you already
I
did
got
it.
most of them right.
Cheater.
I got this one right though.
Imagine not getting it right.
Imagine not doing that.
Imagine turning the page and going on to the next ones.
I'm following directions. Dang it. And 2.
All right, so I haven't given you much time to work on this page yet. Just looking at it, is there any that you'd like to do? I'd like to do one of the first 4. If you want to pick one of those.
41.
41. Okay, so I'm taking one thing times 3 things. So I'm making my boxes to show that. First thing is 5F. And then I have a minus 5G, a minus 7H, and a 9. So 5F times negative 5G.
Negative 10
Multiply.
G. 25 FG negative.
25FG negative.
Yes. Negative, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I knew what you meant. Want to try the next one?
What next one?
That would be 35 H.
Negative 35 F.
There's no negative. Oh, yeah, there is.
Negative 35 FH. So 35 FH negative if you prefer to say it that
Where's
way.
the H?
H is on top.
No, it isn't. Oh. Yeah, it is.
5F times 9, 45F. Now I'm just going to write those out. There's nothing you can combine there. No like terms. Okay, let's do one of the bottom four, and then I'll give you a little time to finish this page. Let's pick one of 45 through 48.
46.
46. All right, so what two things multiplied together would give us h squared?
H and 2.
No, that'd be 2h.
H.
H and H. Okay, let's go to the right.
3.
4 or h times 4,
4H.
4h. And then what goes on the bottom?
3.
3. 3 times h is 3h, and 3 times 4 is 12, so 3 is correct. Okay, let's fill in the parentheses then.
Bless you.
That was a yawn.
Does it have to be in order?
Nope.
Okay, so 3H.
Nope.
What? 3 plus H.
Nope.
It's 8.
Oh, 3 plus h. I got you. I'm going to go h plus 3 because h is first. Doesn't really matter.
Maddie, don't even.
Next one's going to be h plus 4. Now be careful on the next one. What goes in that last blank?
H.
7H.
7h.
Are you serious?
3 plus 4 is 7h. All right, I'll give you, I don't know, 5 or so minutes, maybe a little longer. Complete the rest of those
Even though it's
on that page.
all of it.
All of it.
Should I work on my quiz?
No, you can work on these for now. Okay, my little timer says 8 minutes. I'll check back with you at 13-ish. Just gotta try to solve it based on those clues. So I'm even, so you know that's gotta be 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Yeah.
So, for... Here, I'll just... It is very much favorable.
All right, I'm gonna work on the top three. And then we'll have some time to go through the bottom ones. You can check yours here.
What does multiple mean? Multiply. What's product?
Wait, let me keep.
Multiple means like the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24. 6 times 1, 6 times 2, 6 times 3. You're talking about this one?
Yeah.
I'm a multiple of 9, so that means your number here is either, it can't be 9, of course. 9 times 2, 9 times 3, 9 times 4, and so on. Those are your only options. Well, I put that in the wrong spot. All right, you can check the top ones there. Anybody work on that little 4x4 box? Anybody got that filled in?
I tried.
Which one?
It wouldn't work.
Oh, that. I think I did it. I probably did it really.
Well, let's hear the top line.
6, 7, 9, 8.
What do you have?
8, 7, 6, 9.
It's close. I got 7, 8. 6, 9.
Oh, I have them in the right.
6, 7, 9, 8.
Yeah, I didn't know I had that right.
9, 6, 8, 7. And 8, 9, 7,
How
6.
do you know which order it goes in?
Well, it's kind of all pieced together.
Because he has the worksheet filled out on his desk.
Well, yeah.
So if you had these two switched around, that means your 7 and 8 would be wrong on the next line.
Is that that game plus this?
Yep. Just like Sudoku, except it's throwing the operations in there as well. Anybody think they have 43?
Yeah,
What do you got?
54.
54 is correct. Notice it does say T has to be bigger than U, so the second number has to be bigger than the first. So if I just continue to write my multiples of 9, these are all eliminated. So 9 times 6, 9 times 7, 9 times 8 is more than 70, so you actually only have 2 options, and only one of those is even.
I got one box right.
How about 44?
Ooh, 4, 2.
4, 2.
4, 42.
No.
Serious?
My tens digit is less than my units, so this number's smaller.
Wait, I thought the unit one was supposed to.
Nope,
Flip it.
Is it 24?
that's not a multiple of 7.
Is it?
But
Oh, wait,
it
no, you're
could
right.
be.
28.
28 is correct.
I quit.
So again, you could just write them out. 7 times 2, 7 times 3, 7 times 4, 7 times 5, and so on. Write them all out. It says they're both even, so you can eliminate ones that have odd numbers. How about 45? Anybody got that one?
I did.
Okay, what do you got on top?
B2.
And what goes here?
B
Well,
squared.
me.
I already have a B squared. 4B. So in the parentheses is b plus 2.
Now, hypothetically,
Yeah.
if we were to have another b squared, what would it look like if you combined those? Can you combine
What's
square
32?
numbers?
If you had a b squared and b squared, it'd be 2b squared.
Okay, that makes sense.
47. Everybody think they got the top?
Yeah.
What?
X 4.
4? Left side?
X.
Yep. So that means this is 4x. This is 8x. This is x plus 4 and x plus 8. Good. How about the last one?
Anyone?
On the top, I have c and 6,
Okay.
and on the side, I have just c.
And
I don't have the second one yet.
well, what times 6? Yeah, 5. One blank to fill out there yet.
11C.
Very good.
I'm improving.
6c and 5c is 11c.
Are we done with review?
Last page.
No.
Oh, it's easy.
This is the last.
First one is matching, and we'll do a couple of the bottom ones there.
Suck at these.
At least your confidence is good.
Thank you.
I have a question.
Yes.
Oh, why can we not add 4 squared to 4 squared? Like, if we have b squared and b
We got
squared, why
one.
can't we add those?
You can.
We
Okay,
can?
now I'm getting these.
Okay.
B squared plus b squared would be 2b squared.
Okay.
But you can't add a b squared and a b. The back has to be the same.
Okay.
Mm.
That's
A is 53.
A is 53. Okay, which one is A on the left side?
I need help on 52.
Okay, well, right now he said, well,
50.
let's fill these in.
50.
4n, 20, n squared, 5n, 4n, 5n, 4n, 40. So 53 is A. You have a 4 and you have an n plus 5. Yep,
That's 50 on the other
that's
side.
53. 4n plus 20 is right there. That is also A.
I know 52 now.
Okay, what's 52?
It's C.
C is correct. And which one goes with C then on the right side?
I need to do that too.
Yep.
54.
Yep. So A and C are done. Got to match up B and D there somehow.
Is D 55?
B is 56.
D is 55. And which one on the left is D then?
Hold up. Where
That
are
would
we?
be 49.
49, 4n plus 40. And that leaves the last two remaining. Are B.
56 and 51.
Yep.
So we did plus stuff on our own.
I just want to do a couple of these. First one is 58. What goes in the left blank? 3 times what is 120?
40.
3 times what is 6?
2.
So if I take 126 divided by 3, I should get
42.
42. $59. 2 times what is 10x? 2 times what is 6?
3.
5x plus 3 is your answer. And the last one I want you to try is 61.
We need to split these in half.
Yeah. This will probably be the easiest one first. Then you can figure out the green dots in. Got it, Sean?
Yep.
Confident?
Extremely.
How come you didn't ask me that?
I didn't think you were done.
What? I did too get it right.
Nope.
I got it right.
Can't see.
You should get that checked out.
You gonna show me? Maybe.
I
What?
got it
What do you
right.
mean, maybe?
Mr. Milgrant, I got it right.
Okay. Well, we'll find out.
Okay.
I'm good.
So first thing I'm going to do is write down what each side has to be. This side is 22. That means each side's got to be 11. This side is 36.
Yep.
That means each side has to be 18. Now the easiest one would probably be to figure out the green dots.
9.
The green dots got to be equal to give you 18, which would be 9. So every place I see a green dot, I'm going to put a 9. So now I notice, well, 9 plus this thing got to equal 11.
That would be 2.
That would be 2.